Okay, synthetic division. Instead of dividing longhand, you can take polynomials. So I'll write one down here. I can't write and talk at the same time. But we can go ahead and take a polynomial division problem, a complex one, make it a pretty simple task. And so how you do synthetic division is, first off, you just work with the coefficients. And so the coefficients in our case would be, of the top, would be, and I put them in this little box configuration. 1, -4, whoops, sorry, that's wrong. Because it's just like you've got to have, if there's any exponents missing, you've got to put a 0 as a placeholder. So it would be 1, 0 for the x to the third that's missing, -4 for x squared, then 7 for x, and then 15 for the constant. So make sure you put in all of them. And then you've got to think about like the roots of a polynomial. So x plus 4, if that were equal to 0, my root would be -4. And so that's what we're going to divide by, is that root. And so to do this, it's really kind of nice. You just bring down the 1, so we'll bring it straight down. And then you multiply the root times the coefficient. And so that would be -4. And then you just add down. So 0 plus a -4 is -4. -4 times -4 is +16. That gives you, add down, that gives you +12. -4 times 12 gives you -48. Add down, and we're looking at -41. And then 41, -41 times -4 is a +4,164, it looks like. Yes, and then add down, and we'd have 9,67179. Then, so that is actually our solution if you were to divide those. So you go one less than the exponent we started, the degree we started with, which was x to the fourth. So I know my solution, if you were to divide those, would be x to the third minus 4x squared plus 12x minus 41 plus the remainder, which is the last one, of 179 over x plus 4. And so that is it, and it checks out. So if you wanted to check it out, you could just take that answer times x plus 4, and you should end up with x to the fourth minus 4x squared plus 7x plus 15. So there is a way to check it. But that is synthetic division. So I hope this helps. Expect another problem or two to kind of show you. If you end up with a 0 at the end, that means that it came out even. And instead of a 179, maybe I'll end up with a 0, so that the denominator was a factor of the numerator. So good luck. Hope this helps. See you next time.